Namaste. In this video, we will solve radicals with negatives under the roots. So, in this video, using I, we can simplify radicals with negatives under the root. We will use the product rule and simplify the negatives as a factor of -1. So here important thing is when simplify radicals it is important that we take the -1 out of the radical. Here I am taking four questions. Here this one first is square root minus 16. So when we factorize, we do like that -1 times 16. Okay, always do like that. Don't do -4 square. So here actually square root -1 times square root 16. Okay. So square root 16 is 4 and square root -1 is I. So we can write 4I. Okay. Always write any number and then I. Second question, here is square root minus 24. So square root -1 times 24, we can factorize 4 times 6 because 4 is perfect square number. So you can see here square root -1 times square root 4 times square root 6. So square root 4 is 2 and square root -1 is I. Okay, and here is square root 6. This is the answer. And we write like this 2I square root 6. Here third question is square root -6 times square root -3. So when simplifying complex radicals, it is important that we take the -1 out of the radical before we combine radicals. So square root -6 is I square root 6 multiply, and here square root -3, we can write I square root 3. Now I multiply with I square, and square root 6 multiply square root 3, which is 6 times 3 18. I square, we know that -1, and square root 18, we can write 9 times 2, and -1, so we can write just minus, and square root 9 is 3, and this is square root 2. This is final answer. Okay, here don't multiply -6 times -3. First you have to simplify in I and then use this one, multiply radicals. In this question, here fourth question, also solve this one first into I and then simplify. So -15 minus square root -1 times 100 times 2 divided by 20. So -15 minus, here square root 100 is 10 and square root -1 is I, and here inside the radical 2. This is 20. From here we can take common -5. So this is 5 times 3 15, 5 times 2 I square root 2, and here 20. -5 cancelled with this, so 4. So -3 plus 2I square root 2 divided by 4. And this is our final answer. So very simple question. But if you have any doubt, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.